show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account from your laptop just in few seconds. Okay, so this will be quick tutorial step by step. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your Facebook homepage like this and click over here on this icon over here. As you can see, account, click on account and click over here on setting and privacy. Then click again on setting like this. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do, click over here on privacy like this. And then you will be directly in this page. Click over here on your Facebook information like this. You will be in this page. Scroll down like this. You should see over here deactivation and deletion. Okay, click over here on view like this, and you will be directly in this page over here, and here you will choose deactivate account. Then click over here on continue to account deactivation, and you will confirm that you want to deactivate your Facebook account, and that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook account just in few seconds. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave comments. See you in my next video.